UPCN mataka kenti un walam shapi ya ka kubor na ka wei ka than jong ka rilum garo. Wat lakam day na ka ni ka rilum khasi jantia henrengi kermen bakan longpat ka kubor ban aimin siem ya kinong rep ha ka jalahi beraka wei. Kadi ka kubor ka bala da dan ka jingiteli kinong khayi pateng kinam yo alat ban knyot dor ya kinong rep. Bat haba ka jingtrei sitom ka jong kinong rep ka wan ra ya ka jingkiu ha ka yo ka kot baro hi kinong rep kinam kwa ban eno ya ka kam rep. Penban kinang trei sitom ban penyar ya ka kam ka jongki.
Hagani ka kenti UPCN ulahyar syaka distrik North Garo Hills. Hakasnong Mendi Pathar. Badi kandu igi dikhot jonga Mendi Pathar Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited. Hapo ka jingilam jong Sister Rose kayathin kara. Lasdang yang kenhuan kinong rap hakas nam syajar kendai spa kendai pupra. Tang daki lai pulai ngut ki dikhot ke badi kinong rap. Bad hakata kapor kani kasnong kadang hap hapo ka distrik East Garo Hills. Bat menta ki dikhot akan ka Cooperative Society kladon arspa asapun rungut baro. Kinong rap kidai ki barep ya uso upai ki jhur uso amarit bat usen rai. Bat kiwe ki marbam bat uding jeri rukum jo. I Sister Rose kayathen kara ila sengi kan ka kenhun. Dai hadin kejingi i kejingdu nong palat kinong rap. Na kejing syak knyot dor palat ha kinong khayi. Kumta kejing sengi kan ka kenhun. Kalong ban penya yo hi dalade yaki marep jeng nong song snong jong kan ka than. Wehi umar rap ubla penyat yo dekat Mendi Pathar Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited. Udai Jingthaw ubala ban penmi bon nak ka than. Kata uding jeri ban penmi ya ka jeri. Hadin bagi nongrep kila pelang ikan ika jeri hakaleng kisnong jongki. Kiwan rapat ikan ika jeri syaka-syaka terikam ke bahap pedeng jong ke Mendi Pathar Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited ha Mendi Pathar. Bat hang ni la seudor no yaki nongrep. Bat nang nepat ikan ika jeri la shalan bet syaki company shna tayar kali.
So in the beginning, these 3 years, I made 500 families to plant in 5 villages, in 21 villages. Only few were voluntarily doing it with the help of Rubber Board. Then when the marketing came in 97, the people were exploited very badly. When the actual price was 45 rupees, they got only just 12 rupees. So they complained to me. So I began to, I complained to Rubber Board chairman, and then he told me, sister, you start a cooperative, I can give you 3 lakhs working capital. And I was afraid because the people that time, 25 years back, very backward, not much educated, they want only subsidy. Anyway, I took just 5,000 loan from Manimalaya Rubbers, and I started this cooperative on experimental basis. Then people began to bring, and I had no money, this 5,000 rupees loan. So I asked them, you save 1 rupee per kilo in your name and give me 50 paisa to pay the staff. I made them to pay the staff. After 6 months they said, because they got plenty of money, after 6 months they said, sister, you keep 1 rupee. So I was so happy, they were generous to give. And what I did was, in the beginning, we are not sure of the price. We don't know tomorrow what will be the price. So I gave them 20 rupees advance. Then the balance, I showed the bill. Then I told them, you give 1 rupee and 50 paisa for the labor. So that way, slowly, in a small way, we started. And then I took 1 lakh from a rubber board chairman. Then it was growing faster. Then I did all 3 lakhs we took it, and that money was refunded. But in 1998 December we registered. I went to Shillong. I met the assistant registrar there. Then someone told me, you register under multi-purpose cooperative society. Then you can start many things. That was a good advice.
Hakini kejakat rekam jangka Menti Pathar Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited. Kadandru kedukan kebedi ki marbam, ki balapen mi di Nongrep kenegatan. Kumjuk ki jan, ki balatan bat sohi di Traishnong, bat ki we di marbam. Hakabaladi ki shikidikot jangka kenhuan, hakador kabeduna nagadoryo. Nalor ke Jingpynaid ki marrep jing Brio jong kenegatan. Ka Menti Pathar Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited, kadandru ya kajakari ki jingri, ki bakentop ya kajakari ya ki masih pemidot, ki siar bat ki senyang. Ka Jingthaw halor ke jing sedang ya kenega kamri jingri, kalongpat ban pendap ya ke jing dan kam ya kadot, kadok siar, ka peleng bat kadok senyang hari lom garo. Hangnya Pyniaid Baya kene kejakari masih kemdot, badai kadot ke belapen minang ni. Ladesh kipat baah kador ke bakam duna.
So then the scarcity of milk, egg, everything. So first I started the dairy farm because I approached here and there. And this NABARD, under venture capital loan, first 6 cows we started. Then the cooperative department gave 3 lakhs for expansion when I had. Then afterwards we got an RKY scheme. And that was very good. I expanded the last part, bigger part. Then also we put this one, expanded the chicken house also. And then we bought the pickup jeep and made the electricity and the borewell. That was a huge amount, I got it. So it was very good because current was a big problem, water was a big problem, all that with the RKY scheme, we sold that one. So that was really good. piggery, poultry, everything one by one is different year we started, responding to the needs of the people.
Hang ni la ru ban yui bayak ej masi bat ko gabami hagabapen khoj ya kasem la penon kampat hagabapen mi ya ka biogas ban penon kam hagabashat jingshet naki kam bakala seso hadian kendiat snem balaseng yaka hagasnem arajar nyo ka Mendi Pathar Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited kalayo ka khusnam Cooperative Excellence Award na ka NCDC New Delhi. Bat komjo agasnem arajar shipho arajar katway. Bat agasnem arajar katway layo diang ya ka khusnam na Menteri Khana ka Sarkar Pedeng u Arun Subhash Chabdra Yadav ha New Delhi.
So I thought my whole vision was how to bring sustainable development for the people, and one of the main reason is the poor market. The middlemen coming from Assam exploiting them like anything, even now.
Ka Jingthaw ya kum kini ki Cooperative Society kamlong tang ka Jingmyntoi ki Nongrep. Hendrai kalalong ru kum ka Shlam ai kam ki nong shnong kum balong ha kana ka kanhuan ha Mendi Pathar.
And we also are giving employment to the many people, no family. Even if you cannot give so much of salary, one family is saved, you know. And my staff, so the one who was looking after the cows, he was getting 13,000 rupees because yearly increment we give. I need 5 lakhs per month, 50 staffs of different grade, you know. So that is my biggest headache. I wanted to give more salary to the people because now the beginners we start with just 8,000 rupees. That is nothing, you know. So that, but even then people are coming and asking for a job. So many educated even, you know. Unemployment is a big problem.
Daga Jingmi ka Mendi Pathar Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited. Kumba kalong menta, kalalong shisha ka jingker kui ki Nongrep akan ekathan jongkari lom garu. Kabalawan ra ka jingkala kamtam ha kayo kokot. Namar ka jing penyak yo ki marrep kalalong bet tek tang shikti. Om shu leng baki nong khayi pateng la pateng. Kermen bagani ka kubor kan long ka jing penslur ya ki weipat ki Nongrep banya telilang ha ka wei ka kenhon. Banlat na ka jing sha khanyat ben ya ka dor kamur ya ki marrep jongki. Bat ban bat hi ka khayi pateng hala ki jongki kiti.
I think every village should have a cooperative. They should manage themselves all the business, their productions. Because now even rubber, these people go outside, people go and give advance. So they are forced to sell. It was not only from earlier onwards, no, from ginger, Jingmyntoi time also ginger, turmeric, everything they used to give advance. And the actual price goes high also, they get only 1/3. So that is the problem. Last year our turnover was 13 crores. So that way it has grown. And now the government recognizes us, people recognize, there may be of course some jealousy and all in between. But then all the department recognize, and this society has gone on the whole northeast, even to the national level. So I would suggest, my message to the people is there should be, we have to replicate this society in many places. Then the problem of marketing will be less.